Excellent, good in faith.
A mellifluous voice.
A contagious breath.
But shall we make the welkin dance indeed? Shall we rouse the night owl in a catch that will draw 3 souls out of one weaver?
And you love me. Let's do it! I am a dog and a catch.
By your lady, sir. And some dogs will catch well.
Most certain. Let our catch be thou knave.
Hold thy peace, thou knave friend. 'Tis not the first time I've constrained one to call me knave. Begin full, it begins, hold thy peace.
But I shall never begin if I hold my peace. How now, my hearts? Did you ever hear the song, 3 Merry Men Be We?
Excellent, full, begin.
3 merry men, and 3 merry men, and 3 merry men are we. I in the wood,
And I in the ground.
And Jack sleeps in the tree.
3 merry men, and 3 merry men, and 3 merry men are we. I in the wood,
And I in the ground.
And Jack sleeps in the tree.
What a caterwauling have we here? Hold thy peace.
hold thy peace, thy pretty, hold thy peace, thou knave. Hold thy peace, thou knave.
Hold thy peace, the pretty old peace, thou knave. Hold thy peace, thou knave. Thou knave. Hold thy peace, the pretty old peace, thou knave. Hold thy peace, thou knave.
Now, for the love of God, peace. Have you no wit nor manners, but to gabble like tinkers? Would you make an alehouse of this place?
Dost thou think because thou art virtuous, there shall be no more cakes and ale?
Jason.